Hello everyone, in this video we will see about memory management, storage management and other topics. So in memory management, operating system is responsible for the memory management in the computer. So the responsibilities of operating system under memory management is like keeping track which memory is utilized and which is the free memory in the RAM, deciding which process data to be moved from storage device to memory and memory to storage device, and this we call it as allocation and deallocation of memory space in the main memory. These are the main responsibilities of operating system under memory management. Next one is protection and security. Protection is a mechanism of controlling access permissions and resource permissions for the users of a computer system. And security is like it may be internal security like protection, or it is external security or external security features given to your system. This protection and security is done by providing user ID or user identification for each and every user, and with the help of access permissions given to each user and its files. Next is storage management. So storage management is like a logical, like operating system provides a logical view of storage to users, and this logical storage unit we call it as a file. So file management system is one of the major responsibility of operating system, which means file should be organized properly with the help of directories method, and each file is given with access control system where which file can be used in which access mode to other users. So OS activities in file management includes creating and deleting of files and directories, primitive manipulation of files and directories, mapping of files to secondary storage devices, and copying data from non-volatile memory, that is your non-volatile memory, that is your storage device, from your RAM before exiting the process. So we call it as backup in the files. Under storage management, we do also have mass storage management, where usually disk stores the data which does not fit in main memory, and that data must be kept for a longer period of time. So to properly manage this mass storage management, operating system involves the activities like free space management, where operating system will keep track of free space from the secondary storage device. Storage allocation, what is the storage given, or which part of storage should be given to which file, and disk scheduling. So if we see the migration of a data from storage device, that is your hard disk, if that A value is stored in the storage device in some particular address, before it gets executed, it has to move through the hierarchy of memory. Once a data or data instruction A in the hard disk need to be executed in CPU, then it has to pass through all the levels of memory. First, the data from hard disk is copied to main memory. From the main memory, it is copied to cache. From the cache, it is copied to hardware register, from where it is executed. Next, we have input-output system, where operating system will hide these input-output operands or devices for its execution purpose and treats them as files. So to manage the input-output system, we have buffering, where we have a smallish storage device which is stored for a limited period of time for getting the data from input-output devices. Then we have a cache, which is the fastest storage device, then spooling, which prevents the overlapping of different jobs from its input and output data. So we also have device drivers, which is interfacing your input output devices with operating system. So this device drivers will specify which hardware device operating system is interacting Next we have distributed systems, where the collection of computers which is connected through a network. It may be heterogeneous possible computers which are connected through networks. We have networks which is connected with the help of transport control protocol or internet protocol data, and this network can be drawn as local area networks, wide area network, metropolitan area network, or personal area networks. So operating system will also maintain this networking computers with the help of network operating system. A special operating system written written to compute in distributed computing format. Next we have special purpose systems, where the operating system is written for real-time embedded system. The operating system is only does the specific task based on the system. Multimedia systems, which is used for accessing multimedia data. Handle systems, we have separate operating systems like Android and Windows, Mac, all those operating systems to access or to execute your handled systems. Next we have in the computer environment, client server module. In distributed system, the major distributed system is client server system, where server will have the server operating system and clients are the nodes which sends the request to server, which is connected through networks, and the client, for the query from the client, the server will send the response. And file server system, which clients receive the files stored from the server part. For this we use database servers for file server system. Next we have peer-to-peer network. Unlike your client server system, in peer-to-peer system, all the clients will act as clients as well as server. If a client sends a request, then all other nodes from the peer-to-peer network search for the available answer. The client which is having the available answer is treated as server, and it serves the client's request. And this peer-to-peer network most commonly we can see in our torrents, where all the torrents are connected through peer-to-peer computer. Peer-to-peer networking environment. For peer-to-peer networking environment, the operating system should work as the client to send the request and as the server for receiving the request. I hope you understood the topics. Thank you.